Now, what you need to understand is that starting a YouTube channel is not what you may think. You're not just going to invest your money, hire a bunch of people to make videos, and start profiting tomorrow. This is not how YouTube cash cow channels work. If that's how people have advertised it to you, then what they're doing is falsely advertised YouTube cash cows. The way how I teach YouTube cash cow is essentially growing your channel cleanly and quickly and effectively. And this means saving as much money as possible and getting the most amount of profit as possible. So what I like to do for every single stage of your channel is going to require a different actual growth strategy. From 0 to 1,000 jobs will require a different strategy. From 1,000 to 10,000, a different strategy. And from 10,000 subscribers to 100,000 subscribers. And you need to understand that each different stage of your YouTube career, you will be growing and changing more effectively. So please bear that in mind, because one mistake that many people make is they take advice from people who have 1 million subscribers and aren't growing channels that are going from 0 to 1,000. I am constantly growing new channels. Therefore, I'm able to effectively help you start channels, because I'm running into the same problems you are, and we're going to be able to solve them together.